Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video, guys, we have the Dive Ball 10 and this double booster pack. And yeah, so we get a Darkness Ablaze and a Sword and Shield. I think it's base set Sword and Shield, but I'm more excited about the Dive Ball, guys. Obviously with the Darkness Ablaze, I don't think I've opened any of these. I do have back here, if you guys can see, an Elite Trainer box, which I'll be opening soon, as well as I think like a couple pin packs, booster packs. It's like where it has like 3 of them and comes with some pins, blister packs I guess they're called. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty excited. So if you guys haven't seen any of my other Pokeball 10 openings, make sure to go check it out. On the last video that I uploaded, I actually opened the Great Ball, or not the Great Ball, but the Ultra Ball. So make sure you go check it out. Here it is, guys. Bam, it's another one right there. I'll put up on screen the price of this one, that way you guys can get an idea of how much they are, just in case if you guys want to pick them up yourself. And yeah, it does come with the coin, as you guys can hear probably in there. And these are actually pretty cool as a collector item, guys, just as a display. And I'm sorry if it's really loud for the packaging. The only bad thing is that they're really thin, and it seems to be really easy to get some dents in there. But if you guys don't get too close, then you guys won't really see all the dents. But yeah, these are actually really cool. Like, I'm glad I started buying these. So unfortunately it is scuffed up right there at the bottom, where it sits on, and right there as well. So yeah, it's actually really cool. So let's see if we can pick it up. And actually my girlfriend is the one that picked these up for me, guys, from I believe either Walmart or Target. I think it was Target. So it comes with 3 booster packs. We ended up getting the Burning Shadows, Evolutions, and Lost Thunder. So I think these are the ones that you should expect on all of them. And then for the most part, I ended up getting a Raichu coin for almost all of them except on the last one. So let's see, is it gonna be a Raichu? Bam, it's not a Raichu. I wonder if it's just the second like set of these Pokeball tins that are have a different one, because I ended up getting a Lucario as well on the Ultra Ball. I don't know why I keep calling it a Great Ball. It's probably one of my favorite ones, just for the actual colors, guys. It's actually a really cool Pokeball. Let me just put that to the side over there. And then obviously we got these over here, so let me open it as well. And ooh, these are gonna be a little bit harder to open, but yeah, these are actually really cool. My girlfriend actually picked these up as well, so I need to make sure that I don't damage the cards, and I'm doing this on the right area. And there we go, got an opening right here. But I'll be putting up a price on screen as well. I believe these are probably around $8, just because that's what you kind of run for. Like, each pack is usually like around $3 or $4, so that's something you guys should expect. So we got a double booster pack. There we go. So yeah, I guess it's more of an introduction to the Darkness Ablaze. That's why it only has one. And I'm sorry if you guys could hear like background noise. Is my actual chair. So I guess we're gonna leave the Darkness Ablaze for last, and then we're gonna keep the Sword and Shield before the Evolutions, just because Evolution is one of my favorites. So let's start off with the Burning Shadows. I really like this set. I don't know why, it's just the art in general. And thanks to Roba, guys, on all my videos, all my card openings, we're gonna choose our favorite. Unfortunately, I got this on the opposite side. We're gonna choose our favorite art on each pack, and then at the end of the video we're gonna see which is our favorite one out of all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our favorite card, art wise, not playability wise, but just art wise. So we're gonna start off with the Psychic Energy, Curlia, Olivia Trainer, Lunatone, Magikarp, Krogonk. I don't know who he's looking for. He seems lost. He kind of looks like me. Pikachu, Panseer. We got a Charmander in the back. Poor Charmander. He's like in the rain. It reminds me of that episode where he comes out. Our reverse is a Buffalot, which is a non-common. Thought that'd be a rare. That's actually really cool. Or I think that's gonna be the art for this pack. And then a rare, it's gonna be a regular rare Butterfree. So alright, guys, so I'm gonna put Buffalon as my favorite art for this pack. And then every time we open one of these, if there's like a better one that I like, then I'll basically knock down the Buffalo and go that way. So make sure to pay attention to the arts as we're going, guys. Oh, these are upside down, unfortunately. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and we're gonna start with the fairy energy, which we don't often get. We got a bay leaf, detonate, chewing on some yarn, adventure bag, a cyndaquil, a poipole, never seen that card before, ultra beast, combi, blitzel, slowpoke. What is slowpoke doing? Look at that art, guys. That's something like psychedelic like kind of art. Our reverse is a Stunfisk, which is a common, and for our rare and final card of the pack is gonna be a regular rare Victini. That's actually a really cool art. Look at the colors. That's actually not bad. I kind of like the Buffalo a little bit better, so I'm just gonna keep the Buffalo up there. Now for the Sword and Shield. So not the greatest pull so far, but I'll take them nonetheless. Right here. So now let's go for the code card. Bam, this one's the right way that it should be. I like to be surprised on these guys. I don't want to like know that I'm not gonna get anything good. All right, so now for the second time we have a Psychic Energy, a Reboot, Sudowoodo, a Hop, draw 3 cards. We got a Rhyhorn, Clobbopus, Goldeen, which is, I believe this one's a better art right away after the Buffalo. But I've already chosen this one before, so I'm not going to choose it again. Rosalia, a Ghastly, never seen this one before. It's actually cool. Ghastly is just a cool Pokemon. A reverse is a Yamper, which is a common, and for a final card of the pack and a rare, it's going to be a regular rare Thievul. So that one's cool as well. I just don't like his placement, but that's a cool card right there. I don't think I have that one, to be honest, so that's a new one for the set, even though I'm not collecting it. Now for the evolutions, hopefully it's the right way. No, it's not. I hate when they do that. 1, 2, 3, and I think it doesn't have an energy. I might be completely wrong, but we're gonna go with the Switch Trainer, Nidorino, Pidgeot, Sperling, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta. The Nidoran, I still need to remember to do a speed drawing, guys, because I think Nidoran is the next one to do. A reverse is a Trainer Maintenance, which is an uncommon. And for our final card of the pack and a rare, we got, oh, there we go, a Mewtwo regular rare. That's actually really cool. I like the art. I prefer a holo version, so I'm just gonna keep the Buffalo up there just because I do prefer the holo version of the Mewtwo. But there we go, guys. We ended up getting a Mewtwo. If I would have got that back in the day, I would have been super happy. Imagine getting, like, pulling a Mewtwo. Alright, so now for the first time, I believe that we open a Darkness Ablaze. It's funny because my girlfriend, every time she goes to the store now, she got into this habit of checking out the Pokemon card section, and she's always like, oh, have you opened this one? Do you have this one? Like, have you opened this one? So that's actually really cool of her. And let me just make sure that I did that right. I think I messed this up, guys. So we're gonna start off with the Leaf Energy, Detonate, by Brava. Let me see how many is there. 189 cards in this set. So Corby Squire, Bonobie, another psychedelic kind of looking card. We got a Paris. Look at this Paris. That's another like really cool art. Alright, I think I'm gonna keep the Buffalo, but this is another one that's really cool. We got a Larvitar, a Golett, Feedbass, and lonely in this big world. Poor Feedbass. He looks so lonely. He's like, oh, where am I? Our reverse is going to be a Galarian Duramaka, which is a common. And our final card of the video and the pack, it's going to be, oh, there we go, a Holo Kangaskhan. Nice. Haven't seen this card at all, but that's a pretty cool pull there. That one's not that bad, guys. I kind of like that art set. I like the background as well because it's kind of dark, but it's so detailed. It's so detailed. I like the little mushrooms right here on the side. Kind of makes sense for some of the cards that we got on here. But wow, that's actually a really cool one. I like this one. Alright, so I think I'm gonna keep the Buffalon though, just because like I would have probably, another one that I would have been on my top 3 would have been this Kangaskhan. Just art wise, it's really cool, but I think Buffalon's gonna take it, guys, for me this video. Let me know in the comment section which one you guys think took the video. Just art wise, I think it's a really cool card, and it seems like there's like paint in the back. Seems like there's like paint in the bag. Seems like he was fighting Smeargle or somebody. But this Buffalon is actually really cool. But yeah, guys, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like, guys, and subscribe for more videos. And I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.